How to fix Telstra Smart Modem 3 not working. Step 1. Check your modem light color. The front LED tells you what's wrong. Green means the internet is working normally. Blue means it's using 4G backup. Red means there's no connection. Flashing blue and green means that it's updating. And orange means that it's usually connecting. Step 2. Restart the modem properly. This fixes a huge number of issues. Unplug the modem power cable, wait 30 to 60 seconds, plug it back in, and then wait 3 to 5 minutes. Telstra officially recommends power cycling the modem. Step 3. Check all cables. Loose cables are extremely common. Check the power cable, the WAN, the DSL cable, NBN connection box cable, and Ethernet cables. Make sure everything is fully inserted. Step 4. Check for a Telstra outage. Sometimes the modem is fine and Telstra is just down. You can use a Telstra outage checker on the internet. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.